So I got a couple pieces of this black melamine. I just got it off a local yard sale site, and I went and cut it down to exactly 8.25 inches, which is the gap between the extension and the router table. Once I got that fitting in the slot, I went ahead and cut up this piece of poplar that I got for free from a cabinet shop, and I'm gonna make a little box. I'm just ripping them all down to width now. Went ahead and got it all cut out. It's gonna end up looking something like this. This is the underside. Went ahead and made the frame. Now I just gotta attach the melamine top to the frame. So I've gone ahead and attached the subframe to the insert. I just went ahead and used pocket holes, but I made sure to angle them in to try to not blow out this side of the top insert. Here's it all put in place. I was able to adjust it perfectly smooth all the way across. The way that I attached it was just with pocket hole screws going straight through the holes that already existed, and I pre-drilled into the frame of the insert. The reason that I use pocket hole screws is because they've got a flat section on the inside of the head, so I just centered up the holes and it sucked them in nice and tight. On the back side of the saw here, I went and put in a larger screw just to give it a little bit more holding power so that I didn't knock it down below the surface of the table. There's a total of 5 of these screws that I put in, 1 there in the back, 2 right here up front, kind of redundant, and then 2 on the other side. Here on the front there is 1 more hole that I could add a larger screw to, but I'd have to take off this whole front fence rail. I'll get around to that another time, but I'm not gonna go ahead and add that right now. Overall, I really like it. A cheap solution to kind of a more expensive problem. Went ahead and slide the fence right across. Works great. You can't even hear it really transition between the two. I hope you've liked these 2 videos of installing this router table extension, making it coplanar, as well as this melamine insert. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.